Hey there and welcome to today's guide. So if you've got Ethereum in your Coinbase wallet and want to sell it for cash, in this year you're in the right place. Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet, so selling isn't as simple as on an exchange, but I'll break it down step by step to make it easy. Whether you're cashing out profits or just testing the waters, let's get your Ethereum sold and funds to your bank. So guys, first, let's clear up what Coinbase Wallet does. Unlike Coinbase's exchange, Coinbase Wallet is a non-custodial app where you control your private keys, holding Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. It doesn't support direct fiat sales, so you'll need to transfer your Ethereum to an exchange like Coinbase or Binance to sell, says Cointelegraph.com. Ensure you have your 12-word recovery phrase handy, find it in Settings, Security and Privacy, and enough Ethereum to cover gas fees, which can be 1 to 10 depending on network traffic, in dollars of course. I learned the hard way to check gas prices first. Now guys, you need to open Coinbase Wallet on your phone or browser extension, tap on Send, select Ethereum and enter the amount you want to sell. Now log into your Coinbase exchange account at coinbase.com. Go to Portfolio, Ethereum, receive and copy the Ethereum wallet address. Paste this address into Coinbase Wallet's To field, double check it. Wrong addresses lose funds. And confirm the transaction. It takes a few minutes to arrive depending on the Ethereum network. Pro tip, send a small test amount first, like for example 0.01 Ethereum to avoid big mistakes. Once your Ethereum lands in Coinbase, go to Buy and Sell, and then Sell tab. Select Ethereum, choose how much to sell, and pick your payout method, bank account or PayPal. You'll need to complete KYC verification with ID if you haven't already, as Coinbase requires it for fiat withdrawals. Review the fees, about 1% for standard sales, and confirm. Funds hit your bank in 1 to 5 days. Watch for market volatility. I sold during a slip. I sold during a dip once and regretted it. Check prices first. So guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. If your Ethereum doesn't appear, check the transaction on theScan.io using the transaction ID from Coinbase Wallet. Wrong address, that's the worst case scenario. Your funds are likely gone. For issues, you can contact the Coinbase support. So beware of scams as well. Never share your recovery phrase or click shady links promising unlocking fees. And pro tip, use Coinbase's price alerts to sell at the right time. Questions, my friends? Drop them below, like and subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto guides. See you in the next one.